Well, Yasaba, Aquasinsia, da CP, and also come on near Bediwan, say, a Gillis and Pen for Ebetina, and I'm on to be on your motivate to Amana Aboy. Aha, a Adom TV, Jumadiani, bedroom, the Trato Credit, 925 near Dawasi Sawaji Breso, no tea, Nemoya Dobe Qua, Copim Sewankasa, Obebre. 80, my main Kai, a year minister, roads. Sir, you so kai was said to an amontem na ko ahafo. Now on the 6th of August, a man henemiensa. Kenya say number 1, on in hima, number 2, on in hima, Shidim, on in hima, one in a carbum, one addition so a tie nananombachi. Say, yetcher strong kukra, ayebeye efa yakwain home. The my dinner dance, so they say, New Month 4. Edia bankrate mu se wonatua sika asese ye de kwan a ye kan wasem Kenya se widiem kwan no ne mo contractor no so chiri mu se sika no anso eno a me se san komona se me won se sector minister dia no yi aba se contractor no variations bi bekeka ho ntina amabo no ho asama kwa ebina ntina aban be pick that aspect of it mesre minister ono nananom any addition or Shidim near of Kenya 1 and 2. Any sa kita hono. Na a year and 2 year and temper. The pan say, ye quino, ebe kama. Inti Bomodiana and Nanominisa and Comonona. On the 6th of August, Yanti Bia who be Bia, ye diana say, Sana Montuno. Ye call me a senior chira bang, say. Or the Sika and catcher will do that until ye bokoko. Doka Kwaba.
Yeah,
Maybe I come.
Uncle Adom, Mr. Donna Dowroma, or day and Pachi, Pachi, yet me a bet na hay, the enemy say, Asedania de Mano. Now, yet chia a year Ghana food, na Mechia me answer me room for Bossy, for especially your bossy is for.
Oh, for Bossy.
Me patchan.
Bossy for Tutuka, and I say, your
bossy from Post Honey a woman.
Wow.
Yes.
And John for
Pachahona,
I see. Or Bossy
East.
Yes. Yeah, I see. A potential member of parliament.
How can you say your bag or contested?
Oh, not necessarily that.
We don't mind here.
It's me no mechia before it is a
politicians.
And I bet you say it's me mechia before the Biana me the pledge the Biano. I just a contest.
Oh, me children. Oh, my,
I'm sure.
Me brap you ho. Me your last born ho. It is a
you for Timoko Empida.
When me first time this year.
Oh, I see.
Unyanshia Brantia Nankasai.
Unyanshia Brantia Nankasai. I see. Doc, wait till the time, but my main case, if you're there, enemy sectorial debate in the bro, it is about political parties, no share or no any swadi on various sectors. Last 2 weeks it was energy. This week is health. It's a Dr. Isiasari, a present. It's a presentation, no banter, but a presentation of what the MPP, Omoni Swadi, who Apomudin, and Apomudin, some ACTA, see, one or two hours, the Omodibeka, don't be year film. Nothing, NDC, since we were a candle, the meal for a candle, and so by the presentation. And you're feeling will be about you buy a way, Motoma, way. More we presentation na nipa ene mo ye adwuma with health professionals no pharmacists room nurses room doctors room one aka midwife for health insurance scheme for no omunyina obia wombi na obia so abusebusa mo questions in the sectorial debate second edition baso these are the personalities that only representing these 2 major political parties, the NDC and MPP. Kwabena Minta Kando, Juaboso, Mrashebidweni, Anafi, Dr. Insia Sarinso, and also Aban Kasabafo, on Apomodihon and Sem. So, Dr. Baumia, what Tiffy Mantemana Waba?
Bacho, and Omuvu Ako, Upper West region, Laura, Nenin Potemo, and anopena or kohona. Na praba or shasi or savannah no eye Monday no and or the copy upper west region anope.
O kasapao.
O kasa na emi say se we the men jump gan dia emi say
say the me dwene na o dwene dia because can be
me the credit rate na send or koke kan.
Of course, and na can be say what is it?
Me da so kwabena. O ma hene emi say credit rate na send. Say offer Dr. Baumia ni speech of mine on 7th February 2024 at the University of Professional Studies UPS.
Yeah.
That was the first time I can't credit rating wasn't. They say offer the statement now. And me say money pa ntino aya obi cast ma mo keep you on record. Until offer ni speech no man on that day now. Say offer speech no na ko page 46 of that speech. Oka BB about developing a credit rating system and as a credit system for Ghana. One of his bold statement and as a vision statement or done this done for Ghana. Now, imagine a DNA a credit system. Now, emi say who ensemono ayi bebre. Inti so mama kwan no pembe say ka me true light kakra na say me din chemu kakra ba. Imagine so ohwa me amekuta eye card bank card me no bi wa ha no muze. I am from Absa Bank. Absa ewo Ghana here. Now Absa one of the few, if not the only bank in Ghana, or a credit card. Now a credit card in your mind. We card the kokoi. We the friend say a Visa debit card. Until we say no say won nisika ewo account to ma. Untumi use sa card we. Na say ohwe the say akoto tumi kakra. Yes, brown yeah. And when your friend say credit card, the credit card DNA say oh the friend say premium account or Absa Bank I Ghana here. Yeah, the card we man say o man say unisika po ewo account ma utumi use card we. Na the credit rating system na and say o man say yeah the card we ma first time at say me the first time the card we ma me. Na sika metumi say me nisika chrome account ma metumi spend 2,000 Ghana cedis. Na say me spend 2,000 Ghana cedis ni we are Absa ama me 30 days. Na wa na mako eduasa. Say within 30 days na say on the 30th day no metumi tria say sika we 2,000 omode ba me na me di abrekwa na minimum accounts minisika accounts no say metumi tria no on time and say metumi di ni kure etua. The next time you know so mo mama limiter yeah mama 2,000 am say you page me 10,000 Ghana cedis enti eno ne friend building your credit score say wo di ni credit enti no bank na atum adwe di say woni sika kra wo accounts mu pa ye betua ma be 100 million say wo dey spend it na say wonya sika da achi a no waba betua enti say ye ma 100 million enso na say wo use that's within 30 days, and I said by the close of 30 days, most of the year, near Pedro, I 50,000 Ghana cedis. And when your friends are building your credit score, say, where did no cre send the Edemano? Now, Mr. Minton for you, your man, me South African because I want to make trade. Now, I did about a and say, yeah, mammy, 2 was FMB for First National Bank, or move freezing accounts for South Africa. Na ade ba ko enam some accounts wo de bia mani wo hunu se o mahene anytime I menya plane ticket amekokuru mu obi o mahene se me ba eye me ma ne me yire ntade shopping de emfa ho se university atua me ka emfa so mo atua kana ministry accounts enam this credit ade ya eye adwuma we South Africa ya bibi mamu ye ento mahene metumi aye shopping che na me de abaga na hanu mu se me ko jet me ko eye MRP and I say Mr. Price. Sa company say Kenya no munyina wo kromi he o. But na am say ye nik sa credit system ninti no. To me enjoy sa benefit ya me Ghana ni. And na am say me wa account of South Africa to me enjoy. Enti the credit system no kire no na me say ba ko so match samanfo bi ka say na higher purchase. O ma hene higher purchase ni credit system enya ade a eye peda. Ye ka higher purchase ni so ma hene. Say phone we na me pa. Me ba na phone say 2,000 Ghana cedis. No ma ba betue mu 1,000 cedis. Na dia aka no ya spread ya ma me na say 1,000 aka no ya ma me be say boso me mienu miensa anase me fa betua. But say ka ya credit system say da make no enam enu ne fapim nyina nukwaredie. And they say unya di nukware a sometimes say MTN and a walk. In
outside say obi tenti with somebody's credit card. The biggest challenge. A problem because you can't.
And because I would ever say card we kutabi. We na me credit card. You find say obi afa madam fo bi afa akwa use card dem fa say bia absa for am 10,000 amikra e bia me use ye but me dey me use card yo ntimi nim enti nipa na akwa use card no dey abeto boko me nim o enti me dey say me nim say me neka enti say sika farm accounts the next 30 days no kra me dey mfa me ho but now I'm saying nipa na akwa use a bank no ehwe me so ya ma 30 days grace period after 30 days no e was say otumitua when tua nti no the next when anka absa bianka from 10,000 no he dey make 50,000 yen fa me nko because man
you're not credit worthy.
You are not credit worthy when ni no cre sa pepe na toma hene me say adanam ka say me ba kromi ha na me phone be say in fact e yere pa ansa na sa phone we me toma hene because me South Africa me ntisi kan to phone me telecommunication network am use e Vodacom ta na e friend wo Vodacom MTN so ba me dem MTN Vodacom na me use o ma hene me ko Vodacom obu bi some account number me present it or staff ID o me Adom University of Johannesburg me staff ID is 720 me mo de aka no so o ma hene asa nti pay me income bo so me so ahe na etua me na me ho me pay iPhone type 15 o ma hene me ya ma me payment plan send na open payment plan to crowd to me negotiate o ebu am say e bia bo so me bia monte me 300 rands ne fan say be say roughly endru 500 cedis in per month o man be se monte me bo so me bia 300 rands for the next 2 years eno ano man my time phone me de call I don't need to make upfront payment for ya high chromia this okuta be say 12,000 15 Ghana cedis and san what on entes o man na me for ba akokra me hyem kra no eno na ma ye economy ama nipa middle class o mo ho acho mo bebre eye car ho asem o man yetu chromia na esio e wo say yetumi enya eye car assembling plants o man ye ka say e almost 6 car assembly plants o mo capacity ye almost 120,000 cars a year o betumi produce o man say offer a data ye wo sisi a your total cars demand in a year on average 100,000 cars o man wow. Now me fa a 2022 data e twamfonya atoma in 2022 Ghana expended 1.17 billion USD and the import of cars back home. Out of this cars import back, not more than 90% are your home use cars. Or mine. Let's say, pick 90% of your home use cars now. The akano are so ofano a nominal terms and numbers. Make us use actual numbers. No more mutiati a brand new cars woman. Or mine in 2022. Then the total brand new cars ye tow or my hano a 6,000. Now your car 6,000 out of this 6,000 1,300 a car na your brand new crefra bruch by 4,700 no a the car what high say or more assembly plant brand new cars bet me produce almost 120,000 cars 4,700 cars brand new cars per any tow my identity to say that me South Africa here Africa me say me kwa bruch Africa here be say me twa for new Africa ni o South Africa o man they call it the garages o man they hear say we adwuma multimedia what do to send here okoji loan bank what do salary slip aba what the contract say o man adwuma multimedia asa and one say wo shot based on waketua o na wa hwe Mercedes Benz 3 years based on my ketua say team bosumi bia 1,000 Ghana cedis betumi atua with it o man and one no you don't need to make a part payment and part payment then if a higher purchase no where there you don't need to make a part payment because say we your credit and make say hono ya beda to say be mitiwe say me call jet me call Mr Price na me fan your mana 30 days no so you tua me car na me tua
so is it that na ebia nipa ntem wasom ka obi aka at times say 1 CD and 2 CD
oh my na dey me can say doctor to say the well Mr Doctor echeche say na me echeche me ya e me say na ye mfonyi keke na otwa and na sometimes don't say honorable to a politician to him it is a wuchia crowd bia was senior or present asemono it depending on
to the barest minimum
yes 100% so say fan say bia say wo connect the phone no 500 Ghana cedis say o man hin dey kro me ni obi a no person to apple phone yeah, some of the phones ni bi wo ma hene e bi kra 300 cedis nti the old trap for you so say dey 300 cedis and am say be partner with mobile telecommunications no nti okwa onkotua 300 Ghana cedis e bi aboso bi abetwa bi 2 cedis eno ye mfonyi keke na no wotwa sa no pese wo nti ne nya ade me say ye di just but the core of the message no ma hene any the match
no that one you can't run away from. It's very important. Umfasika sunon kotade is so important. Dr. Frank Bano, development economist and original ma the New Patriotic Party. Iti cameraman wo hwe me. MTN for ne voda telecell for akwanya kakra mo dia ma ese engage ntobo mo ma wewe mo chip no. Data be wo ho. Ti wo we kra na still you know wakwaji
and in fact say osha MTN quick loan omo ma gigi be bromo mpio ma say something wo credit worthiness na be affect say no ye the Ghana card na asynchronized with everything and be you am say oh na say wo brewe na use 0243 10 20 34 Oji quick loan 2 cedis when tria and today na say ye jiremu ni ama mobile phone na obetua
it will breed an honest society anyway chief be careful so mutimi bad here and then say we Adom, what's happening
me too no
that's how the otiamana no and these things are very important to you so why is it that we get to say there I don't know kana ABC baby ada na omo ka wasem
ma me nchia we na me nchia woni anya bra etie ye chufo etimo kwafo nyina ahweme chama hakima day ani chidom hene mi amena na ahweme etimo kwama hene osi ade ayon so ahweme nya me nshira mo nyina madam confidence mo aho se kwatre kwaso o ma wontuma ya no etie niti nanya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia azem ni again vice president enye na azem ni again ye ni krumu na papa ibe ka kire ye say so omo ono be vice president Ghana fu nyina benya bank account ana wurefi ye de ne ba ye pe edwuma obaye ni so ogu bank se wo Ghana he nyina wurefi na se papa ya kwogina ba bia ka kire ye say oba ma Ghana fu anya phone na wo wi a we tua no 1 cedi 2 cedi 1 cedi 2 cedi na se won so kodi papa we eche kokogidi a ene wa hwa ne na de wono ane de odi nyina akoye pe o
didi kan
I mean that is not
didi kan that credit facility no ka wasem no otiama no ne does it work
look
does it work does it work
credit facilities
does it work
it works
okay
but you see we are talking about the person promising it onipa na walk ho asem ne yeka menua we are talking about Mahmoud Bawumia o ka kire yen say so onu be ye vice president yen kwa ama no ni nkobobosia bi o na sika wo Ghana ha wa ye adwuma o Bank of Ghana sika wa ha ma chese ye bedia ma nsada ena me no ka say na me hwe your death stock me no ka say ene Ghana death no aye 685 billion Ghana cedis under Mahmoud Bawumia o ka kire say ono be ye vice president yan kwaji bosia bio papa ya sam ne ya kan yo menua na wo da ya na nsu atone we nti wo sori anopa so wo se fomafo ani pay ya waka asem a kire we he is the vice president sitting vice president of Ghana no waka nsem we na ye nyina di akire ho I mean credit facilities ni credit system e wa brochire se nya na ne ehu anya na ne ehu it been there high pitches and now me no ka say banks bebre wa Ghana wo ko na ka say omuya car loan ni ade a you know
but draw a line between
you present
the unim nyoma pana ya mutu kwa amuhu no
say
same thing if you have a challenge with the carrier of the messenger different
look
but one men for high purchase system enkobo yes credit
no
system.
I mean me Sanyomano.
The difference is clear.
Me Sanyomano. Me tiasia better than anybody else.
Very good.
Me tiasia better than whoever is talking about it. Look, I know say credit system yadi mano is just credit worthiness. And you build that kind of you know also. Na yadi nyama mao.
Yes.
Na woko. What you say? High pitches no. Another pitches system we need nipa no okuta de be
for you to us
na odi kakra to asie na de aka no watu atwa na odeko What he has here. So that is part of it. I mean, credit worthy way, you cannot be credit worthy when you have nothing doing. You must have something doing first, and you must be credit worthy to be able to go into those things. We know all that. I am telling to you, say, nipa no di asam ne nam no. You see, we are see your way.
Do problem here.
Nipa o di asam ne nam. We are see your way. Oh, obia wo problem in kitten. But you see, His Excellency Bahamudu Bawumia on any problem no. Lying without stop or can't try on yai. This is a person who promised to bring the dollar to cedi to a pair $1 1 cedi. On one share President Akufo-Addo and a quiet they no $1 1 cedi $1 and now buy also a $2 need a share prison. What is the relationship between the dollar and the cedi today? Sa papa no na ebe ka kire wo so oba ma mobile phone we tua no 1 cedi 2 cedi. Hey menua you can't believe this guy. That's the point I'm making to you. You cannot. He cannot do it. He won't do it. It's just a strategy. Adia Hamene say the vice president goes round insulting Ghanaians every day. They're insulted. And I will explain. Insult, yeah. And that is not honorable. Or call round a bogana for other party beer. And no, and a hammy. What fun is a Ghana for no sabi yadrimia into a young quadrina simply so no to two big mua. Nature say, was sorry call. I mean, look at you want to be president of the Republic of Ghana. Why a vice president? You who dia why you won't try we try trying. Yehudia waye and then kauni namwa and ke chaupa and try we try to Ghana for and I will pa ho chau and that dollar ne dwane and because $100. You have not addressed the issue. Listen, and because $100. You will be amazed to know how much $100 is costing today. You have not addressed the wako say Woody mobile phone beba na mobile phone no. You bet you 1 cedi, 2 cedi. Ni a bon se mama hey. Now I mean is that how? Why who can afford to say? Wadarmo pacho. Oba. O the 24-hour economy, o the big push beba. O the national apprenticeship scheme beba. It yenye de kemuna. Hold on. You see Niyama we me pasa me katwi. Niyemuna. A question after question. Yenye onipa na oka asem enni. Me pa cho tie me. Hold on. Let me throw your own words back to you. So that when you answer it we know how we can have a conversation. Throw it to me. Omuna na yemuna say. Debi won to me muna. Yentia won to me muna no ewo ho. Metri. Yenka say me anyi ni ana. Esa se ye gidi efise de yentia se ye gidi ni wom. Ewo ho metri mu. De yentia won muna ni say. Wo nipa no ka say the 24-hour economy ni beba no. Wa ye bimbu we hu da. As we speak, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, why ye be mawehunda number 1? Or can say Ghana, ya free SHS. Na ya and Kolani ya baby in school. Intercessor Susuku are dying. Oh, honey, when now yes, some trough for penny back 1 war man. Chirami says, I promise no my. Oh, ya now 1 year. Into Nipa Western Sukacha me bar. Yet the regulation. No, I'm talking about building school facilities. Wakan ye no oyo ye na so ko ka kire me se wo ba Ghana fo nyina banya bank account na wo ba ye wo gu bank se wo Ghana he nyina na so re betra ka kire se wo ba di mobile phone be ma ne atwa 1 cedi 2 cedi so Adom me sorry me need breakfast and then you want me to believe no believe him and you want Ghanaians to believe him that would be an insult. I mean the guy lies through his teeth and never thinks about it. I'm serious. You didn't come
obetimi akire Ghana for ese so omoto aba no kwacho beba Ghana for ese so omoto aba ma de ntia ese so omoto sa aba na ma once wa fa 24 hour wa ma nyina so a beba twen once wa ma nyina so a ese se ntimi to aba ma eti echese 24 hour no se mo hihye mu etimi ba mu a o ma ne be den ebedi na ade na obi ede ne nchire mu ba no wo problem with onipa on de ode ne nchire
okay tie me Ghana for ntie me asema make na say dia ohye bo a wadi so no ohye bo biomu a ye gini di
okay
na dia ohye bo a onni so
okay
na dia oya ne se otwa ntro owia no we free ho no wono no hye bo biomu a akwa tisa de obi a wo dwene se wadwene mo ha
okay
enti oba no akeke bi egu mu anu asore ko
okay but
ma amudu ba omia na sama ye ken onipa na ka se wa $10 e de a prison o ene dollar ne te san onipa na ka se Ghana ye ba obi abanya bank account eti san on na ka se wo ba ye mbobosia bio na sika ni nyina wo Bank of Ghana ye dia men sada
okay, so doc,
ye ba ye ye
wrap up on this one
Elisa wo hwe pa we insam wo okeka no osaso ko ka kire o say na no o say
honorable ye the front number you
meba
na bi de ma me na sa ba
biem location friend is Google map what once here GPS Google map what once here wo ba wo mi ano o say ni GPS no and papa saying the American in UK. Okay, papa we he's a comic relief. No can.
I can never describe your flag. The data allows me to describe you like that, but I won't.
Okay, so asama Mahmoud Bawumia eya sresam
easy and I have the floor now
go take honorable and collateral have the floor
I have the floor
we sit discussing these matters this is a serious time in our country
Doctor, about you calm down.
You see, I'm a very modest person.
Baby, I'll free by a parliament.
Kasa.
Mindful because we learn a lot of things from the August House people. You are an honorable member of parliament. I cannot say
a proud one for that.
Of course, from Chifu Atimokwa. So I said, you're very, very measured in how you describe. Nyami admani pe bin mumba baba ya kendi for.
On to me be ye.
Me that's it.
What he says.
Me walk floor to me to me.
I mean serious.
Say ye can't his former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say the records na kabe betna haka ho. Ka the kind of words me use we afidie so no. Enka onyo obi a ko betumi kura put me up say opesoiden obe contest for president.
I'm giving you the liberty.
But I won't say it. But I won't say
nothing against the man.
No, I'm coming to speak to better. Allow me.
Friend.
See, my example. Remember former President John Dramani Mahama, the record they Ghana for. Okay, tasem. And I love it so they started from that. Tell my Oman Penyuku for Befra in 2001. Now your debt to GDP is 182%. Under former President Jerry John Rawlings in 2001. The data is on our bit near Google and also for Bank of Ghana data near 182%. By 2008, now your debt to GDP ababedu 32% of GDP. 2008, which is the equivalent of 8.06 billion, 8.07 billion American dollars. At the same time, for the exchange rate in Ghana cedis, now the equivalent of about 9 billion Ghana cedis. That is the new Ghana cedis. Between 2009, when the late former president John Evans Atta Mills and current flag bearer of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, PK, the
and now game.
See, from 2009, by 2016 time a year from na Ghana debt na ejina the dollar term 8.07 billion na ba bejina 29.2 billion American dollars. That was our debt. In terms of percentage wise, now a 73.1% of GDP from 32% to 73.1%.
But you must end it with today's own.
I will talk about it. Allow me to talk about it. This is the record of the man who today says Ghanaians should give him just one term to come and turn around our economy. This is the record. Yes, I love the PhD economist. This is the record of the man. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying.
Because you don't use this shouting to come and lie people.
No, but you are speaking at the I am speaking to data. I am not conjuring it. You can go to the Bank of Ghana website. You can go to the Ministry of Finance website. This data is incontrovertible. It is there. Now, today, even under the current circumstances, our debt to GDP, per the May summary and financial reports released by the Central Bank of Ghana or the BOG, our debt to GDP stands at 62.7%. Go and look at the data. Read it. Mama say, May summary of financial data presented by the BOG. I have it there.
And what is the nominal
figure?
You see, now, what is the excellent question about? And I'll educate you on it.
You want to educate me? Tell a lie to the public. I know better than you.
Please, you can't know better than me in economics. That's a fact. I'm a lecturer. You can never know better than me in economics. Don't even go there. When it comes to economics, you can't. You can't know better than me. Don't use that way. You can know but not economics. I can lecture you on economics. Let me tell you for example. Now, okay, nominal figures, nominal. And I make sure say your debt to GDP stock, the CD equivalent in 2008 was 9 billion Ghana cedis. Time of former President John Dramani Mahama AC now you're 122 billion Ghana cedis. Now let's do the calculation in terms of trade. That is an year-to-year accumulation of 261% in terms of the debt accumulation. Now, offer free. Listen, offer free 122. And the best is 650. And now, calculated the percentage change, less than 80% year-to-year accumulation in terms of debt accumulation. This, I have the data here. I can show it to you because I've done all these calculations as an economist. So in terms of debt management, this government has managed debt better than under the NDC. If you are even looking at nominal figures. Now, mind the kind of nominal figures I see anything. The nominal figures simply means say offer the dollar equivalent, not what they are multiplied in the exchange rate. And your nominal debt, every to me a costro. At the same time, borrow that is what the nominal figure is about. Entina obia or yet true economists will never compare nominal figures, but rather real figures. The figures are the inflation a free move to know the real time value of money. So there is no economist in this world, no economist who sat in monetary economics class who will talk about nominal figures. He or she would always talk about real figures. Now let's come back to the credibility of a flag bearer of the NPP, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This is a man who told us he was going to use drones to deliver medication to the good people of Ghana. Yet to come here, some people even told us the drones were going to take pictures of women who were bathing. And yes, I can't. The whole world, and this is incontrovertible fact, the World Bank, they've all accepted it, say Ghana is the leading country in terms of drone delivery in the world. In fact, the recent BEC year, there were certain areas that can't to mean the drones and they could deliver materials and my students made a throw exams. And when it comes to the credibility of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you can never, ever on any platform compare John Dramani Mahama to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And for me, I will not use unprintable words on him, but I'm talking about facts. This is data that I'm speaking to Omahine. Again, my honorable here spoke about bank accounts, Omahine. What is a bank account? Obahini, and the wuti your mobile wallet is a bank account, isn't it? It has become possible because of what we call mobile money interoperability. Why and the mobile money interoperability ebe practicable and I say obi abetumi isu ewo memi ho mahini. It was under or is under the watch of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Because of me, obetumi move sika if your bank account about mobile money. Obetumi move to any network without any restriction because of mobile money interoperability. Omahini. And now me to say, but some so I say for every 3 months, MTN for send me say interest awo day me mobile money so mahini. If it is not an account, then your trade interest was so mahini. So your mobile money in effect serves as an account. And this is what most of our NDC people have failed to understand. That mobile money is a bank account because you can use it to transact account.
Okay.
So in terms of his credibility, in terms of his economic knowledge, that is why he has challenged your flag bearer to a debate. Come and expose his lies. Okay, so and he's running away.
Just 1 minute.
Just remember, make me draw attention. Okay. Remember, just a minute. Yes. Because of
Mr. Economist.
Doctor, not Mr.
Doctor Economist.
Yes, doctor.
Mr. Ghana debt is not a 650 billion. It is rather 658 billion. So hold on. You are so accurate as a doctor of economics. No, so that's what I just want you to do. He didn't use approximation. That's all about. It's okay. That's fine. So just listen.
And we are in July.
So just listen. Listen. You see, there are people who are watching us. And so what you are saying, what they know. And what we are saying can never form the conclusion of their judgment. Not at all. The point is this. Menua, answer now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ebe Vice President. Na mobile money, wahoni use mobile money. Those days, so person will send sika every MTN. Hold on, can I finish? You see, when I don't finish, you won't get what I'm saying. Ube will say, Obi send sika from MTN. Edi ko enfani say Tigo and Vodafone near there. What they do is say you use token, so the money still would have gone. The point is this: whatever measures that you used, it is somebody who built the data bank, a data center. John Mahama build here and or lay fiberoptic cable near the
you always have to go to this.
Oh yeah, can I finish? Oh yeah, and a mobile no. Idea a friend a mobile
money
operability no. It is just a synchronization of two mobile system just to be able to work within the same platform. What is the meaning of that?
I don't know why.
Number two,
if you refuse
can I finish?
You are refusing to appreciate.
Kasa, you interject all the time. Oh, Kasa, no, I did. Menuya, tear me. Now listen. Dog. How much difference any idea back Ghana for us in terms of economic value? Please. That is number one. Number two, listen. Oh,
you could try,
Kaisa will say, don't
worry.
And I will deal with the budget, the media budget, and profit. We'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. And I will tell you the expectation, and it will never fail. I will tell you what these guys want.
Debates here, bro, and we are on the health sector, into the major political parties, MPP, NDC, or more representatives, will be a presentation at the achievements and what we are to expect if they are voted into power. On the part of the NDC, a ranking member, Kwamina Minta Kando, and a Bababet Jinem at their presentation. And then on the part of the MPP, Dr. Insiasari and Babedi Nijumano. So as we are about wrapping up, the Dawa Kuma Super say a budget, and maybe all the week a crave social for the budget, at was so they were doctors when you acquainted.
But as a menu, na me demano see assembly so. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, hospital, we see what Ghana had in the Let me say, Bakuya, one of the most famous ones, you know, they are only His Excellency John Ivan Satameo Seshas here, medical school, your friends, Legon. Hospital, no, Eji Nipankwa, Pa, Ebra, COVID bar, you know. So, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Hospital, see, yeah. And can Crawford be were buying wood, 7 previous and man, no dash of national. And can only wood to some cook. In Yamia Domna John Mahama, why yes, I didn't want to and ne and Tia Yangan is Abaimo, the Ohisica, some so. A tree can say my friends, Sana Hiniana, Sika,
okay, Sanahine.
What I won't be.
Sanahine,
do can be.
Also,
Sanahine, or the idea your friend, or the idea your friend, mid-year budget. A barber to drop me boy.
Correct.
Me that's say. Idea omo beye. Media minim say. Nana doni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. One year the fofrobia ebe magana for one ton was our media budget review on mobile. Na dear minim so oba be ni. Or be magana for what one more. One share what the two Gigi no crabby beba be peso. Se Mahmoud Bawumia pesi ye jini disi wo ye. Ubi a kasa o kano kra. Na nui oninam no sis wo ba. Obeba betwa e-levy mu. Menim baby o wo say ya. So oba obeba betwa e-levy mu. There is a very beautiful fine opportunity for him. And now me no ka say. On share the finance minister. Na sa budget review we. Ontwa e-levy mu ne ehwe. So you obi a waka no kre. No opese ye gini dia. Ontwa e-levy mu ne ehwe. Debia sisa me ba obi a wo na wo ye economic management team a chairman wo na wo ye the vice president of the Republic of Ghana wo no ebra ye di wo bedi ade na no meka wa ha na wo nya MPP ni o na aye economist ye anti na president Akufo-Addo kofa wo ba na wa ma nensasi fom wo pepsa wo bedi president so wo pese ye gi wo di na no kre ba ko pe ebe twa wa kwan mu sei entumi nye yie na wutumi ka nokure ba ko sei tin na Ghana fo yetie na yetimi de ye adwuma enne me pese e-levy no a waka ho asem se wo ba wo betwem no me pese enne wutwa e-levy no mu yetie na Ghana fo mabunu muntie me yie budget we ade ohaw ni atete ni amane ene beba betum so bi o minim nkrofo ya me ka wo mu asem Mahmoud Bawumia kasa ayantro ayagro bi no odie onfa nye adwuma eninti no momienhye yesapo munsuo ayemframa bi na ewu akokeke onye hwe wo budget we mu ama obi ahonto no eninti sa wo ya mabunu na wo hwame anopei me pesa me kuto sra me nyanka mabu ntware mpo wa ha na masra mo Ghana da ache hia yen ya kanipa wa ye bi da hwe ana ayi Bawumia wadwane free economy ho and now see digitalization no aya mo obi mbisa ne say infrastructure back ben pen we building for that digitalization. You see, I have said say penny bi na kan asem say it is important to build a castle in the sky so you can build a foundation to support it so it becomes reality. Papei okasa okano hu keke minimum ka say data center wo Ghana ha John Dramani Mahama and see one no live about the cable free nkra ha nyina de call enough enti na wo so phone na unya 4G wo so Mahmoud Bawumia onya infrastructure bia emma digitalization but then waje di atana ni achi economy ni ntia yakofa ne ba ye no economy ni wedwane afri ho mempenifo a mo hwe me momientu emrantia no fo ne entu ye ne ankasa ye hofo so obi biara wo ye MPP ni a wo hwe me menka se jai MPP yo wo jai yo a eye na be ye NDC na mom se wo nyaye a ebere so ne ekoto aba esese wutuma John Dramani Mahama ne wetimi aba be ye Ghana yie na won so wetimi akoso enjoy as an MPP na se mo anye sa ahobadase ne ani diem na mo nkoto aba ma nipa yi amonim so otwa ntro Ghana nipa asetere mu de ye nyina o problem obi ni de ne se bia ono mo nsa kakra obi de ne se bia odi emachiri kakra sabe bredua so Mahmudu Bawumia de no odi free osoro ba ye no aye ntro a wotwa won hwe ekire mesrɛ mo ahobadase ne ani die bebi aga na eduru no nya nkrofo we de ehia won wo bia ne hwa wosu fidie wo fom na sa twi esorobo a na wo emu a mo ne na mo fom de adan na mo fi sa nchimo ala nkodwo kiremantin we dwane menua menimu kasa yi hopsin adoya we dwane MBP fo bebre edwane afri nkrofo yi ho na adan ana mode mo pese mo de mo ho kogye yi kana mabu no metumfo anope yi aba ye kwoto no aye mo da chintio ne ye di 24-hour economy aba no obi kwa adwuma no pa obi akobia ewia obi akobia anadwo ne the big push aba ne ebia nnwuma akese na mwanya bi ajo na Ghana fa ntima pefra 8 years ni ayatena Ghana ha menua no ma mo aboso kan amotie mi ya mo so ame magazine amotie mi ya mo kokompi amotie mi mesrɛ mo ahobrase ne ani die mu enka John Dramani ma abreso no mo kofa nneoma $100,000 aba abeton a enka mo hia 3.9 billion ene yesi John ma wabon na mo kofa de oye economics mbra ana mo kofa na adodankwa Akufo Addo ni Badwam ye ene wo pe president ye die won de kofa ne ba ye ene wo kofa sa $100,000 nneoma no a wo tia 16 billion from 3.9 billion no asas wo kotua 16 billion ya wakwanya se ye kofa nipa no a no hwe 3.9 billion de no so aba ana nipa no a wode ye kodu 60 billion won wie ye wode ye ko enimi wana nka mo hwa ye nkofa na mmra ebra so asese ye ka no kra kire ye ho ebra so asese ye tu ye ho fo se yan hwe democracy ne practice yo nya de ye betimi akopia wo mo ti koso wo mo nko aye ye kokromoti ani ye betimi de akoyi wo mo afri so na ye betimi adi John Mahama ani na kwakasa ye Professor na Opoku Ajiman kwakasa ye menuanom University of Ghana minimum kasei omu contemplate omu draw ni speech no abaye political moral studies ama Ghana fo esua
okay
papa ikoka ni die no ena jato mu a wo mni na ma omu pa ho chewa mene wo kasei mo mi enfa osenyi oyo ni entu abama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama anya sad e ta ne be efe mesra mo amobrase ni John Dramani Mahama ani ni onipa o betimi asesa Ghana na woni e twa ko koto mo ba for every day every month one city adieba semini
amahine me dase
adieba semini
emi se Ghana for menu anoma mutie mi emi se mo bebra mo hwe me na bia me ye mo ba na enim ewiase na yaduru no ne asemba kwa me pese be catch Ghana youth mo mo tiase me say
we say we are technocrat
technology
we sua dia doctor we try dia we university we are technocrat canocrat try won say be Akufo Addo ni Badwam ya de ye ko we dey kan everybody we sira kan Jesus di mu kan me bon pa ye say kan
Ghana fo am hwe me say ewiase no make me try for you be quickly say
for you better
and you may be akoso wiase Africa abibi man ye miss out on it na sad ninti na ma abibi man se ka se aho kire a abibi man e wa aho kire mama hene de edin kan the friend say first industrial revolution ye abre a science mu nim die mu no ye discover the friend say the steam engine to power production.
O ma she da so abrofa akese no obdi.
E one the time no na abibiman bebre na we were under.
Joe Biden free akonwa so say e beba be ka economic wolf obeka o parliament ne obeka say Joe Biden free so ti economy ne nko so no.
Ono bo kasa man kasa bi.
So I said that
objection bebre that man kasa bi.
O kika
na e ho no
kamrafo no
na me kirem e ho no na abibiman bebre na ye de friend say under colonialism. Into take advantage.
Sure.
The next revolution in the world is the discovery of electricity. saa bre no so afene na abibima bebre na pre-independence na ye ba benya nti so hwe a 1957 time yenya independence na eno na ya ade a na esi Ghana omampenye no wane ya so se e wo se yetumi nya de fe ne se electricity nti eno nso no abibima bebre enya ehomfaso omahene de etoso miensa eye de ye fe ne se eye the third industrial revolution eno no the age a computer ebe wiase eno nso abibima enya homfaso we couldn't take advantage of it omahene as at the time me call SS okura na me secondary school me call Obuasi Christ the King secondary school. Ya wo me call school Obuasi. Na computer kra na bi ni ho. Sikafo computer na e bi ni ho.
Enwia ne yankom ne yansan.
Sa teted na ba bi the 70s no asa 2000 na computer so kra na nya koma won Ghana aye nyanso fa so oman hene. Na de to so 9 oman hene. Any dear friend said the fourth industrial revolution oman hene. Eno na etesi ayetimi. Now, what is the fourth industrial revolution? The fourth industrial revolution is the artificial intelligence. Essentially, and this is here, say unimin die, and as a woo or minus a unim penny, and as a president, or one nim die in the fourth industrial revolution, or mine, sa or mino, you are heading into a ditch. And when it comes to a president, as some of mine, especially in this time in age. To mean sign Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Kotua Bama Obia only be beyond for the fourth industrial revolution. When it comes to artificial intelligence and how to use artificial intelligence to create jobs and to transform the economy, that is what digitalization becomes.
So why is it not creating the job now?
And no tina Ghana anybody would cheer me there and now look at some students are free prempeh college to me call America eco renew robotics.
Oh na Crawford started call America.
So
na Crawford started call America
honorable robotics na America.
Ejuma do say na Akufo do ni ba o ya create promo ha. Ana am ya no.
No mama nkasa. Honorable asama wo work pa.
Ejuma ben won ya create promo ha wo ka wasam. Wo ya lecturer. Doctor, wo ya lecturer. Ejuma ben won ya create wo ka wasam say. Kan ejuma do kan
They are creating over 2 million jobs.
Jesus. But we are say 150,000 jobs. What about 2 million jobs?
Ghana for mutiemi. Enti say ye pese ye kotro aba na this is Ghana shebre going into the fifth revolution. Ghana for the only person or say the industrial revolution
as John Dramani Mahama
and candidates omudo mu ejina say omo pese ye nto aba mo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. None of them
can lie. In fact,
see, when we dear in the fourth industrial revolution, and none of them yes, son, a Ghana, and we are to be a qua, make challenge the Sandy Pano will show. He said, Omra, no, Omer debated Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud.
No, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Fred, John Mama Sombra debate. I dare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I want to debate him. I want to debate Mahmoud Bawumia. Honorable David Fandi, let it go on record. I want to debate Mahmoud Bawumia on economic issues. I want to debate him. I am ready to debate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on economic issues, and it must happen now.
Now,
it must happen now. I want to debate him.
Now, on my budget now, only say we are under IMF program.
Musimuka so you see that he's glorifying IMF.
Oh, but we are there.
You are glorifying IMF today.
Your time must read the budget statement.
Budget statement, we are not expecting new expenditure.
Thank you.
We are also not expecting no new supplementary budget. We are expecting, say, government ever increases social spending. I'm not one now because of a year pandemic any Russia recreate want or move beyond the poverty line no say pan even nya eye ahohan eno ni ade a
who can say na Akufo do call Ukraine say Ukraine for America Akufo do say Ukraine na bomb ni sisi no Ukraine for money sika uti say Ukraine tina Ghana economy ne nye Joe Biden resign so onye president bi mo be ka say
so onye president bi ebo o say one contest
bi mo be ka say ni tina Ghana asaye na no queen wu one is queen we until Ghana as a year. Yanya say Ebola ba ye John Mahmoud me and my Ebola
Ebola is pandemic.
When one year
Ebola is pandemic. Ebola is not a pandemic. Ebola is pandemic.
COVID-19. When is Sikadodo? You are an economist. When is Sikadodo COVID-19? The Abraham over 4.5 billion. Sikano, and watch it. Sikano, Sikano. I want to debate. I want to debate. Listen, Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President, Honorable David Conti, have offered opportunity to debate, and I will pay all the expenses. I want to debate Bawumia. I want to
Dr. Badwam
the fourth industrial revolution.
I want to debate him.
Okay, so it's time to be a baby share. Thank you so much for your time.